Hello students, in this video we will discuss about the structure and the function of the nucleus, which is an important part of the cell. But in some cells like अगर हम प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल की बात करें तो उसमें न्यूक्लियस किसी भी मेम्ब्रेन से सराउंडेड नहीं होता. जस्ट लाइक आरएनए मटेरियल की तरह उसमें दैट इज सस्पेंडेड इन द साइटोप्लाज्म. No membrane is found in that, and that type of nucleus is known as nucleoid. But in eukaryotic cell, nucleus is well developed and also surrounded by a nuclear membrane. So let's discuss. Nucleus is consist of 4 parts: nuclear membrane, nucleoplasm, nucleolus, and chromatin. Nuclear membrane is the double membrane which encloses the nucleolus, chromatin, and nucleoplasm. There are some pores in between which are known as nuclear pores, and through these pores the transfer of materials between cytoplasm and nucleoplasm takes place. Nuclear membrane is also known as nuclear envelope sometimes. Now second is nucleoplasm, the fluid which is jelly-like, which is filled inside the nuclear membrane, that is known as nucleoplasm, and in this nucleoplasm nucleolus and chromatin are suspended. Now nucleolus is a spherical body which found inside the nucleoplasm, and in this there are RNA is present, that is ribonucleic acid, and some amount of DNA material is also present, that is deoxyribonucleic acid. Within the nucleoplasm, within nucleoplasm, 2 types of nuclear structures are there: nucleolus and chromatin. The nucleolus, it can be 1 or more in number, and it is not bounded with any membrane. You can see there is no membrane surrounding this, and it is rich in protein and RNA. RNA means ribonucleic acid, and also it acts as a site of ribosome formation, and so it is also known as factory of ribosomes sometimes, and it helpful. Some amount of DNA material is also present in nucleolus. DNA means deoxyribonucleic acid. Now fourth structure is chromatin, which is a thread-like structure and that is found in the nucleoplasm. It is composed of genetic substance DNA and proteins which are known as histones. The basic the functional unit of this DNA are known as genes, and this DNA, इसी में सारी information होती है जो cell के functions को regulate करती है. At the division of the cell, जब cell divide नहीं हो रही तब तो ये thread like structure ही दिखता है हमें, chromatin. But when cell divides, this chromatin fibers takes place in the pair. They form the pair and form pair which are known as chromosomes. Now this chromatin fibers, जब cell divide हो रही तब तो ये इसी तरह thread like structure दिखाई देता है. But when the cell divides, they make pairs and form chromosomes, which are also known as hereditary vehicles of characters. Now we will discuss about the functions of the nucleus. Nucleus is known as the brain of the cell. Why is it so? Because जिस तरह से हमारा ब्रेन हमारी सारी बॉडी एक्टिविटीज़ को कंट्रोल करता है, उसी तरह से न्यूक्लियस कंट्रोल ऑल द एक्टिविटीज़ ऑफ द सेल. सो इट इज़ नोन एज ब्रेन ऑफ द सेल. Now first function, main function is that maintenance of the cell, means cell division के time it divides, it decides that up to after maturity which form the cell will take. Secondly, the way cell will develop, it is also decided by the nucleus. Now secondly, nucleus helps in cell division. It plays a major role in cellular reproduction, means the process we can say by which a single cell divides and form 2 daughter cells. At that time, nucleus also divides into 2 parts. The third is transfer of characters, means with the help of this chromosomes, it also take part in the transmission of hereditary characters from parents to the offsprings. last but not least, the function of the nucleus is it controls all the cytoplasmic or cellular activities which takes place inside the cell. That is all about nucleus.